It is 9th of May today. Now the weather is warming up a bit. This is one of the grapes vine in my garden. I had given a cut, a big cut on this branch about 3-4 weeks back, and now the process of weeping has gone down. I can see a little bit of dampness at the top, but the main dripping of the sap has stopped, and I feel now I should be grafting this grapevine. I have got a few varieties which I will be grafting onto that one. First I'll try the method whip and tongue. A straight cut on the rootstock. Now the same cut on the scion. Check, compare the length of both of them. Now leave 1/3 at the top and then give a tongue cut. The same process on the scion. Now the process of joining them. If cambion on both sides does match, that is the best. And if it is not matching on both sides, at least it should be at least one side which should match properly. The most important thing is to make sure that cambions on scion and cambion on the rootstock, they match, so that the process of growth that will start. If the cambium on both sides does match, then hopefully this sign of growth will be seen very soon. First I tied it with the rubber band to make sure that I can see matching both sides so that they don't slip and go out of line. Now I am using this plastic strip around it to seal it properly. Now cut the extra tape, and I shall leave 2 buds, and then over here I'll give a cut. Now my sealant is ready, and I'm going to seal it with this homemade sealant. And I shall share the result. I am sealing this end of the scion where I made a cut, and that will complete this graft. You can subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.